How to download and install Glam AI. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're wanting to download that, you can follow the steps. So for that, you can open up Play Store application. If you're on Android, go ahead and tap on it and open it up on your screen. After you find this interface, in the bottom right corner of your screen, you should be finding a search bar. You can go ahead and tap on it. And after tapping on it, at the top of the search bar, you can go ahead and type in Glam AI and hit search. After that, you can just go ahead and tap on this one right here, Glam AI Video and Photo Editor. All you gotta do is simply hit the install button from your screen, and once you wait for about a minute, the application should be downloaded. You can just go ahead and use it after that. So that is it for now. That is how you download and install Glam AI Photo app. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.